Hello guys, my name is Larry and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm bringing up a topic that I'm having some issues with, and I'm hoping that somebody out there in YouTube land and Google will see the video and actually give me some advice on what's going on here and what's going wrong. We bought a Helix, let me get around here, Helix 5 Chirp GPS Hummingbird fish finder. And we had a different one on here, and we had the actual transponder mounted pretty much in the same location that we had the other one. It's actually a little bit more to the right than the other transponder was, as you see there. And I kicked it up in the back a little bit last night, and I'm going to take it back out and see if it'll read. The issue we're having is that, you know, up to 6 or 7 miles an hour or 10, somewhere around there, you get a good reading on depth. But once you get the boat up on top of the water a little bit, or get a little more speed behind it, it quits reading, and it'll go to 1,000 foot, you know, 900 foot, 800 foot, and I am desperately trying to figure this out. Not being very successful at it. I'm not sure if it's the unit, if it's the transponder or transducer, whatever you want to call it, if I've got it mounted in the wrong place, if it needs to be in a different location. Maybe y'all that are seeing this video can give me some advice on where to go with this thing. Seems like I'm chasing a witch hunt.